I tried Fantom Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Fantom Wallet app, I thought it would just be another crypto wallet for holding tokens. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Fantom's wallet is far more powerful as a gateway to an entire ecosystem built for speed, simplicity and serious DeFi users. On day 1, setup was effortless. The wallet automatically connected to the Fantom Opera network, and I was amazed by how lightweight it felt. No endless loading screens or complicated sign-ups, just create a wallet, write down your recovery phrase, and you're ready. On day 2, I started exploring transactions, and this is where Fantom really stood out. Transactions confirmed in just about 1 second, and the fees, practically zero. We're talking fractions of a cent. Most people underestimate how fast the Fantom blockchain really is, but using it firsthand is eye-opening. Midweek, I tested the wallet's staking feature. You can delegate your IFSHIM tokens to a validator right inside the app and earn staking rewards instantly. No need to use an external site or exchange. It's smooth, transparent, and easy enough, even for beginners. By day 6, I connected the wallet to some DeFi platforms like SpookSwap and SpiritSwap. The wallet integrated perfectly, allowing me to swap, farm, and stake assets without ever leaving the Fantom ecosystem. After a week, the shocking truth became clear. The Fantom wallet isn't just a storage app, it's your ticket to one of the fastest and most efficient blockchain networks out there. While it lacks multi-chain support like MetaMask, it excels in performance, simplicity, and speed. If you're tired of slow, expensive transactions and want a wallet that feels instant, Fantom Wallet might just surprise you. It's built for the future, fast, functional, and shockingly underrated.